You're a school director, and you want the best for your teachers, pupils, and their parents. You'd like to integrate the latest developments in digitalization, home learning, and personalized education. But that can be quite a challenge, because not everything is running smoothly. Important school updates don't always land where they're supposed to. Scheduling a teacher meeting can be a hassle. And what happens if the teacher is sick? Looks like they have no clue how to continue learning from home. How can you better deal with communication and organisation of your educational system? Social Schools is a platform that facilitates the learning process. Linking communication with your current administrative systems and content suppliers will make it more efficient and cohesive. Our app canalises communication into one platform, making sure messages between teachers, pupils and parents are delivered directly. With digitised agendas, scheduling meetings becomes fast and easy. And the next time the teacher is sick, we make sure the pupils do know what to do. Our app enables pupils to access learning goals and document their learning progress. Insightful for the kids and their parents and teachers. Ownership and cooperation. That's what we go for. Social Schools, bringing schools and homes closer together.